Hey, it's Vanessa, the Crafty Gemini, and you may know me from YouTube, where I have over 600 step-by-step free video tutorials teaching you how to do all types of things from sewing to quilting, bag making, even some stuff like cooking and gardening. Well, I'm here to tell you a little bit more about my upcoming 8th edition Crafty Gemini Bag Club. Now, I have been teaching sewing and quilting skills for about 15 years now, both in person and online. But for the past 5 years, we have been hosting super fun online video bag clubs, right? So over the years, we went ahead and pulled a report to see how many people have joined us over the past 5 years, and the number was just over 5,000. So I've had students from all over the world, over 20 different countries, join us for our online courses and clubs. Now, we are currently putting the final touches on my 8th edition Crafty Gemini Bag Club, which will basically be open for registration super duper soon. Now, if you're watching this video, maybe you missed out on some past bag clubs, so you probably already know that once we close registrations, that's it. Nobody else is ever able to join the club. So if you're watching this video, you are tuning in at just the right time, because as we go through the next couple of days, I will be dripping out some more information to you so you can get the details on how you can sign up, what the cost will be, what the 5 different handbags that we'll be tackling look like, and so many more bonuses that we've added into this next bag club. Now, as an instructor, my teaching style is super straightforward, right to the point, and I oftentimes like to repeat things in a couple of different ways because I find that when I explain and show things via video in one way, some people get it, but others are still a little bit lost. So I like to repeat things and kind of change up the way that I show and explain things to make sure that all of my students are able to understand the technique that we're applying and how it's used in that specific project. Now, I also, as I teach, like to give tons of tips and tricks so that you understand the why behind each step, right? It's not just follow me and do exactly as I'm showing you here. It's understanding the why we are doing it the way we are. So what I find that as a teacher that helps my students do is not just finish successfully that one specific bag project that I'm teaching you that skill in, but it also allows you to elevate and definitely increase your sewing skills so that then in a future, possibly more complex project, you will remember these different techniques and skills and be able to apply it there as well. Now, as a super busy wife, mom, homeschooling parent, and business owner, I love quick, almost instant gratification projects. We all know that sewing, especially handbag making, takes time. But what I've chosen to do is not really spend time designing bags that will take you 12, 15 hours to complete. Instead, I want you to be able to more quickly and easily crank out different types of bags that are functional and fun to make. So if you're super busy like me, but you love to make fun pouches and bags, definitely stay tuned because you're not going to want to miss joining my 8th edition bag club. Now I want to share with you a little bit about my sewing journey and how I got to be where I am today. So I started sewing specifically with quilts, making quilts, when I was a second-year law student over 15 years ago or so. And because I'm such a practical maker, I wanted to have quilts, right? So that in the colder months, we had something that we can use, super cozy, fun, bright fabrics and colors, but also something that I can pass down to my kids. But because I was a student at the time, I also wanted more fun, practical projects that instead of leaving at home, I could actually bring with me to school. So I started making simple tote bags that I can carry my books and my laptop in. And then when I started to kind of elevate my skills, thinking, okay, instead of just a basic tote, I need something that has more pockets or more zippers inside so I can keep my keys and some smaller items that I didn't just want jangling around at the bottom of the tote bag, right? Well, at that time, the only information that I could find to help me tackle more complex bag projects were printed patterns. Some of these had like no illustrations, no diagrams, no pictures. It was virtually impossible to decipher the text, right? The printed instructions. And if you sew or quilt or have tried a bag or a wallet in the past, I know you know exactly what I'm talking about. And so I kind of set it aside and started going back to the quilts again and garment sewing. But then, as always, because I have that practical side to me, I want more bags, backpacks, things that I can wear so that I can be hands-free. And so I revisited the bag making again. And so what I started to do was to just take scraps of fabric, scraps of interfacings, foam stabilizers, and just playing with it with different shapes, different measurements to see and kind of wrap my head around the three-dimensional design, right? That requires that is required of you to make a bag, especially, rectangular shapes, oval. We want to add different design elements to them. And so little by little, I started teaching myself how to make these different types of bag projects, okay? Now, once you get to that point where you know how to install a couple pieces of hardware, some fun straps, an adjustable crossbody strap, let's say, then it becomes like, okay, what do I do next? But I found that that was a stopping point for a lot of my students. Yes, you made the simple bag projects or the easy zipper pouches, but maybe you had a little bit of confidence in a couple of the more intermediate skills, and now you were looking for more help, right? And the more elements, more components that we want to add into a bag, the more it's super helpful to have that visual element, right? So that's where I come in with my step-by-step video instruction. And I found early on, about 5 years ago when we released the first bag club, that my students were like, oh, now it makes sense. It was like all these light bulb moments. They tackled bags like the ones I was teaching in the club before, but they were never able to get it to click, right? Specific ways to turn things, where you place things, changing up the seam allowances to get different effects when you're installing a zipper, little things like that, that really allowed them to elevate their skill set. And that's exactly what I plan to do in my next bag club too. If you've ever tackled a bag making project where you're making progress step by step and you get to further along towards the end of completing the bag, sometimes you find that you get stuck and you're just like stopped in place because you're like, I don't really want to go on to the next step because I may ruin the whole bag. And because you're so far along in that bag making or construction process, it really just stops you because you're trying to figure out what exactly are the next correct steps to take so you can successfully finish that bag, right? Well, what I'm planning to do with this next bag club is to have the 5 bags build up, right? So as we tackle bag 1, 2, then 3, 4, and 5, the toughest one to make is going to be bag 5, and the easiest one to make will be the first bag. But I'm going to be teaching you and building on the different skills and techniques as we tackle those 5 bags. So if you're someone that gets kind of stopped in place when you're trying to tackle some of these more complex elements, definitely tune in, get all the details, and see if my bag club is for you. Now, I've also hosted dozens of in-person sewing and quilting retreats, including cruises over the past years, but right now we're not really doing that, and so I think aside from in-person classes, my online video bag clubs are like the next best thing because it really is having me there where you can stop, rewind, fast forward me, and just follow step by step by step. I don't skip anything because I'm making the projects right alongside you via video, right? So there's not gonna be a piece missing because I'm completing it the full way through as I'm recording and editing these video lessons for all of my students. It's super fun to be around like-minded people who speak your language and of course are working on the same projects. And so by having live Zoom chats, which is something that we've implemented this year into our online courses and clubs, we get to kind of bring in that community building element. We also share our progress, feedback, and ask and answer questions of each other in our private Facebook group, which is another amazing place. I know not everybody has Facebook, but it's optional. It's just highly recommended because there's a lot of fun stuff, fun chatter, people sharing pictures of the fabrics. Hey, what do you all think? Should I use this zipper with this fabric? Which strap should I use? And all that kind of stuff is going on right there in the private Crafty Gemini Bag Club group. So again, as I mentioned earlier, this will be my 5th year hosting online video bag clubs, and it will be my 8th edition bag club. So we've done this quite a bit, and as I mentioned previously, we've had over 5,000 students sign up for our clubs and participate in these different online bag clubs. So if this sounds like something you'd be interested in, definitely make sure that you, 1, add yourself to our free email list because that's where I'll be sending out all the information, letting you know, hey, the registration is open. I'll just give you a quick heads up. We will have registration open for 1 week, but that's it. So if you're unable to sign up during that 1 week window, Unfortunately, that's going to be it, because when we close things up, that's the end of the registration period. And a lot of times I get emails from people asking why exactly we do that, and part of it has to do with that community building. We don't want to just leave it open forever and have people kind of trickling in and joining all throughout. It kind of is really jumbled up and disjointed in that way. I want everybody that wants to get in on it, get in at the same time, and that way, whether you keep up with the event calendar or not, you're still kind of following through together with everyone as we progress through each bag 1 through 5. And now, if you're new to my bag clubs, I'll just give you a quick little recap. Usually we send out a feedback survey at the end of each online course or online club. And then we sit together as a team, we go over all the feedback, and then we see where we can implement certain changes and adding in or taking out certain things that we think are going to help provide a better overall customer and student experience for us. So some of the things that we've included or that are included in the bag club are, of course, step-by-step video lessons for every single bag. We have live Q&A answer sessions where we submit to you, or we put out for you, for all registered students, a feedback form. You submit the questions that you have on a specific bag project. Then I go over those during the week, prepare any samples and things that I need to make. Then we meet together live and I answer all your questions on that one specific project at one time, okay? And all of that, even if you can't join us live, is pre-recorded. It's saved to the online course and club platform so that you can access that information anytime that you want. Of course, you get unlimited, indefinite access to all my video lessons. And then we've also added a live Zoom social hour where it's, again, part of that community building element where you get to chat. I'll be there, but you also get to chat with other students in the club. Okay, so those are a lot of fun. You know, if you've been in some of my past clubs, you know how fun those are. So my main goal as a teacher is to get you to elevate your skill set, okay, whether it be sewing, quilting, in this case, bag making, so sewing skills, definitely involved there. We want to bring your confidence up so that you can more easily implement these techniques, whether you're changing up a more complex bag pattern in the future, or somebody puts in a custom order and says, hey, I want a bag this size, this shape, with these zippers here and there. I want to teach you the skills that you need to then be able to say, hey, I can do that. Let me just jot a couple notes down. I can use, you know, the inset zipper technique that Vanessa has taught me in a previous bag class. I can use the elastic pockets that she has taught me before to put on the sides. And so you're learning individual skills in each bag, but overall, you're going to finish 5 bags and then definitely elevate your entire skill set, okay? So that's what I want to do. Of course, I love fun stuff, fun colors, fun fabrics, and I just love to laugh. So that's part of that community element as well. I want to get together with you, answer your questions, laugh, give you feedback, hear about different tips and tricks and even bag hacks that some of your other fellow club members are doing to my bag project. So I always want to encourage my students to change things up and make them your own. So if this sounds like something that definitely vibes with you and that you want to join in on, again, make sure that you join our email list. The link is below this video here for you, and stay tuned because over the next couple of days I will be sharing a few more videos, including ones to include exactly what the 5 bags that we'll be tackling in this upcoming bag club look like, where you can get supplies. We are putting together some kits. I know my students always love when we carry kits of the hardware and have everything in one place for you. And then we will definitely let you know when the registration for this new bag club will open and when it will close. Because again, once it closes, that's it. Nobody will ever be able to join that bag club again. All right, so stay tuned. Thanks again if you made it to the end of this video. I definitely appreciate it. If you're looking forward to this next bag club, let me know in the comments below what you're most looking forward to and if you've ever signed up for one of my previous clubs in the past as well. Thanks for watching, and I'll see y'all in the next video.